Hello बच्चों, let's read the question here. So the question here is statement 1 is given, that is for a planet, if the ratio of mass of the planet to its radius increases, the escape velocity from the planet also increases. Then statement 2 is given, that is escape velocity is independent of the radius of the planet. So we have to choose which one of the option is correct answer. Okay, so let's see the key concept here. The key concept of question here is, we know that the escape velocity VE is equals to 2gm upon r under root. Okay, this is the escape velocity for any planet. Here the first statement, it is given as the ratio of mass of the planet to its radius increases, then the escape velocity of the planet also increases. So what it is telling, if the ratio of mass upon ratio of mass upon the radius will increase, then the escape velocity increases. Yes, this statement is true, because we know that escape velocity is equals to gm upon r, 2gm upon r under root. So escape velocity is directly proportional to under root of g upon m. It's directly proportional to g upon m ratio. Okay, it is m upon r. It is m upon r. Okay, so it is under root of m upon r, and it's directly proportional to m upon r ratio. So statement 1 is correct. Statement 1 is correct. And if we look to the statement 2 here, the escape velocity is independent of the radius of the planet. No, statement 2 is not correct, because statement 2 not correct. Why? Because the escape velocity here is dependent on the value of r. Okay, so which will be our answer? Option B, that is statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect, is our correct answer. I hope so you understood well. Best of luck. Thank you.